how to understand the Queen Alex roundabout, the A1290 and the surrounding road network. Approaching the traffic lights, the road splits into three with a slip road on the left. We're taking the A1290 to Roger. Approaching the next junction, we can turn left towards Seaburn, or this time we're going to go straight ahead the A1290 towards Roger. This next section is the Keir Hardie Way and it's 30 miles an hour, and there's lots of people get speeding penalties for doing more than 30 miles an hour. The police generally sit at the top of the bank. Remember, the easiest way not to get a fine, don't go over the speed limit. This is where they sit. Approaching the Queen Alexandra roundabout, the road sign says there are multiple exits. It's a spiral roundabout, and the problem with the roundabout is it's not very well marked out on the road. The road markings are long overdue. We're moving into the middle lane. Traffic will join us on both sides. When the traffic lights change to green, we'll be emerging to the left in the middle lane. Going around the roundabout, as we turn right, we'll be spiralling into lane 2. Remember to check your blind spot at this point. We're indicating right. In a nice wide arc, spiral to the left-hand lane. Remember, the road at this point is still 30 miles per hour. And shortly the speed limit increases to 50 miles an hour, so make progress once you've passed the road sign. We're going to be turning right at the next crossroads at the northern spire. Mirrors, blind spot, indicate, and proceed into the outside lane. turning right at the traffic lights towards Hilton and Southwick Industrial Estate, back towards the driving test centre. Turning right, drifting across into the left-hand lane and climbing the bank. At the next traffic lights, the road splits into three. Make sure you stay in the left-hand lane climbing the bank. Returning to the A1290, this time we're going to turn left towards Seaburn. Moving into the left lane. The traffic light's on green. As you turn the corner, beware there's another set of traffic lights. At the traffic lights, we can only turn left, heading into the centre of Southwick. And last but not least, heading out of Southwick back towards the A1290, this junction always catches them out. The road sign says there's a bend to the right, followed by no entry in front of you, buses only can go ahead. Just be careful. Hope you enjoyed it.